Hello friends, my name is Rashmi Arora. Hope you all are doing good. So, first of all, I want to thanks to the people for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. As you know, this channel will help you learn German language in such a manner that you will be having fun while enhancing your skills to a great extent. So, let's begin with our common questions. In this video, I will tell you the answer of some questions that are. Yeah. First question is introduction to German language. Second is who can learn this language. And third is contents of my channel. So, let's begin with our first question, which is introduction to German language. So, there are 6 levels in total. First level is A1 and then second is A2 and third is B1. These are all basic levels. And then come to advanced levels. These are B2, C1 and C2. So, whenever we are writing the exam of this particular level, of each level, so every level has 4 modules that are listening, reading, speaking and writing. One must have to appear in this level. So मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक और बात बताना चाहूँगी कि जब भी हम कोई भी एग्ज़ाम देते हैं, हम पढ़ कहीं से भी सकते हैं. वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम एनी वेयर, फ्रॉम एनी इंस्टीट्यूट और फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एनीवेयर, बट द सर्टिफिकेशन इज़ वैलिड ओनली बाय Goethe Institute. So whenever we have to give the exam in Goethe Institute, and the certification is valid only by Goethe Institute all over the world. So one can, you know, I would like to tell you one thing more. One has the chance to skip exam of any level and appear directly for next level. That is like, okay, suppose I have studied A1 to B1, but I have skipped the exams of first 2 levels and directly jumped into the exam of B1 level. If I cleared B1 level, it would be certified that I have also cleared the previous level without exams of A1 and A2. So इससे क्या होगा, हमारा सिर्फ टाइम नहीं बचेगा बल्कि हमारे पैसे भी बच जाएंगे. So let's move to the next question. Who can learn this language? Everyone can learn this language. Everyone who wants to learn it as a hobby. Anyone who want to job in MNCs or in Germany. Anyone who want to do further studies in Germany or who want to become a teacher. Last but not the least, anyone can learn German who want to enhance their multilingualistic skills. So, moving to the next question, which is content of my channel. So, I will not only provide the content for the beginners, but also I will provide all the content for the people who are pursuing the advanced level. So I will also provide the practice materials not only for the grammar but for the exam related queries. So if anyone have any query, please mail me at learngermanwithrashmi@gmail.com or write in the comment section below. Okay. And yes, I want to thank all of you for watching my video, and I request you to share it as much as you can so that everyone will be benefited by the German lectures. Thank you so much.